Some of the tests that we use to evaluate optic neuritis are visual acuity, so we can use a Snellen chart or a handheld card and we'll measure visual acuity. As a general rule of thumb, if the visual acuity is very bad, worse than 20/200, in other words, if at 20 feet you can't see what a normal person could see at 200 feet, in other words, very impaired vision, you're kind of less likely to have a good recovery. However, if the visual acuity is 20/100 or better, there's a pretty good chance of having a good recovery. Now, good recovery may not be completely normal vision. You could have had 20/20 vision before and it returns to 20/25. Or you may have 20/20 vision, but you have a little central area of visual loss known as a central scotoma. But generally a good, usable eye, in other words, fairly good recovery.